Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Christine, and today I am back with a BURGA unboxing. BURGA is a tech accessories brand that is entering the world of luxury fashion. Why? Because their designs are so unique and stunning. They have over 300 different designs to choose from. Obviously, I don't have all 300, but I do have, I think, 2 designs that I chose. I kind of don't even remember what I chose because I remembered it was a very difficult task because they have so many variations. So I am definitely very excited to unbox this with you guys. BURGA kind of makes you want to like transform all of your devices into these cute little accessories that you want to kind of like walk around with. I mean, let's be honest, nowadays your phone is pretty much your biggest accessory. I always have my phone in my hands, and I think a lot of people do as well. So I am definitely a big fan of covering my tech devices with the cutest covers because why not? It's gonna look amazing and cute, and you're gonna be protecting your item. So it's like kind of a win-win in general. You have probably spotted BURGA somewhere on socials because a lot of known celebrities actually wear BURGA phone cases, which is pretty awesome. BURGA also has on-demand production. Basically, they don't like to waste or overproduce, so they produce the products when the order has been placed, which is kind of incredible and so needed nowadays with everything that's going on in the world. So BURGA doesn't only have phone cases, they actually also have MacBook cases, they have laptop sleeves, they even have notebooks and planners that you can get in the same designs as your phone case, which is pretty cool. They also have ring holders, and they have this amazing thing called magnetic power bank. Imagine you on vacation and you need to charge, so you just have your magnetic power bank that literally just snaps into place and just like charges your phone. I think that is amazing. And of course, this magnetic power bank has the same print as your phone, like the same design. How insane is that? Like, they have so many different tech accessories, and I am just a big fan because you can literally match all of your items with the same design and print. Something else that's really amazing about BURGA is the fact that you can buy 2 phone cases and you get 2 extras for free. So basically you're getting 4 for the price of 2. So that is a great deal. And you also have 12 months warranty on your products. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Let's go. So these are all of the products that I chose, and I'm so excited to show you guys these. I did get 2 phone cases. They actually have 2 different types. You have the Elite phone case and the Tough phone case. I'm gonna start off with showing you guys the Elite phone case, and I will compare the 2 so you guys can know exactly what the difference is and what makes the elite basically. So I'm gonna start off with the Elite phone case, which is obviously the premium phone case. So this is basically the more luxurious one, the one that's gonna protect your phone better, and just a more premium phone case than the Tough phone case. They are both definitely amazing and they will both protect your phone, but if you want like that extraness, this is the one to get. So this is the packaging. It definitely looks more elite than the Tough phone case. This one comes in like a velvet pouch, which is also beautiful, so I love them both. But you can just see that this one is more elite. You can see the logo right here, and in the back you can just read all about it. So we also have this tab under here so we can pull the phone case out. How beautiful is that? Look at that design and the print, so stunning. So this one is called Little Life, and it reminded me of the song I Like This Little Life, and I thought this would be perfect for summer. I mean, this screams Italy to me, and I am going to Italy this summer, so I was like, yes, this will definitely be my new phone case for summer. And the colors were just so cute and vibrant, so I definitely love this one. And of course, I got some extra accessories to match this print, so I'm excited. So the Elite phone case has their very own impact absorbing cloud guard technology, which basically means it is gonna protect your phone so good. You're gonna be living a stress-free life because I drop my phone all the time and it stresses me out. So having a great phone case is just so needed nowadays because phones cost a lot. so you want to protect them the best you can while still looking cute. It also has a microfiber like velvet lining, which obviously protects your phone from scratches, and it just keeps your phone like warm and comfortable in there, which is obviously very nice. Another amazing thing about the Elite phone case is the raised bezel it has around to protect your screen and your camera, which is very important. And you can choose either a gold bezel like I have or a gunmetal. I went for the gold just because I love the way it looked. I thought the gold looked very sophisticated and just very extra, but obviously you can also go for the gunmetal. It really depends on your personal preference or your style. And I also wear a lot of gold jewelry, so I figured that that would be the best match for my aesthetics. So yeah, I'm definitely obsessed with this phone case. The quality is amazing. It looks so beautiful. It also has a anti-fade printing technology, which basically means it's gonna look as fresh and beautiful as the first day that you got it. So I think that is definitely important because a lot of phone cases don't have that, and they look stunning on the first day, but once it starts falling and you start using it, it kind of looks like a hot mess. And of course, all ports are definitely accessible and you can easily attach a phone charm. So yeah, you can definitely see the quality on this phone case, and I'm obsessed with this print. It's so cute. It's literally telling me, let's go to Italy already. So yeah, I understand. We'll get there. Let me grab my phone. So here's my phone. I actually have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that's the phone case that I got. And as you guys can see, it snaps perfectly into place. I'm so excited to have a new phone case. Next up, I'm gonna show you guys the tough phone case that I got, and this print and design is definitely my favorite. I am so obsessed with this print, and you guys will know right away why. You guys are not ready for this. It's so stunning. Oh my god. Ah! How beautiful is that? You guys know I am obsessed with butterflies. I have them tattooed on my arm. So obviously when I saw this one, I mean the color first of all, how stunning. So the tough phone case has a scratch resistant glossy finish, which I think looks so beautiful. So it does cover all around your phone, and it also has a raised bezel to protect your screen and phone camera. So in comparison to the Elite phone case, this one has a silicone interior, which is also gonna protect your phone. The tough phone case definitely has a more slim profile, and it's definitely very comfortable to hold in your hands. It has a double layer protection and shock absorption. So you basically have a two-piece. So you have the silicone part, which actually comes out, and then you have like the hard shell. As you guys can see, this is MagSafe. They both are, so you can easily charge your phones. But how cool is that? It's basically like a double protection. So your phone is definitely gonna be fully protected and looking very cute. Let me just quickly pop the phone in the tough phone case just so you guys can see how it looks. There we go. How cute! I'm so sorry for the light, but I'm trying to angle it so the light doesn't annoy you guys. But how beautiful! Hi! It looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm gonna look so bomb in the summer. You guys cannot even imagine. And imagine getting the magnetic charger that's in the exact same print. I can't. So I did get the matching ring holders to both of my phone cases. They have the exact same print. How cool is that? So this is the first one. Look at the packaging. Oh, it's my fave. It's so pretty. I cannot. How beautiful is that? So basically you put your finger through the ring holder and you can just take the most amazing selfies without having like to hold your whole phone, because our phones nowadays are so big. So having like this little thing right here makes it so easy to hold. So you can take like beautiful selfies, make amazing videos, but most importantly, it prevents accidental drops, which is something that I have a struggle with. Like, my phone drops a whole lot, so having this will definitely help me to prevent my phone from dropping so many times a day. So it basically sticks on any surface, so you just pull this little like red sticker off and you can just place it on your phone case. and you're good to go. It is made from this high-grade metal, and it also has like the BURGA logo on it, which I think is such a beautiful detail. And on the inside, you also have a rubber for a comfortable grip. You could also use this as like a stand holder, so if you're watching like a movie or a YouTube video, you can just place your phone in front of you and it kind of stays up just like a screen, like a laptop screen would. So it has so many benefits, and I mean, they look so cute, so why would you not? So I definitely feel like a ring holder is just a must-have nowadays for your phone. And of course, I got the exact same thing but for my other phone case. Oh my god, this is even cuter. So this is in the Little Life print. How beautiful is that? Oh, I'm obsessed with this. It looks so adorable. I really love the look of the little cherries. It looks so cute. So yeah, this is the match to the phone case. How pretty is that? I feel like I'm definitely gonna be getting a lot of compliments on my phone case because have you seen it? It looks so beautiful. By the way, once you place it on your phone, it does have a 360 rotation. I hope you guys can see that. But you can basically rotate it any side, which is genius because I was afraid of like placing it on one side and then wanting it to be on the other side. I don't know, but it makes sense. It needs to have that rotation for it to work properly. So just if you guys were wondering the same thing, it does have that. I popped on my Little Life Elite phone case back on because this is the one we're gonna be using from now on, so I might as well. So cute. Okay guys, let's move to the next item. So this is again in the same Little Life print, and this is actually for my Galaxy Buds. How cute! I'm sorry, how cute is that? It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna place it right away so I can show you guys. So you do have the bottom half, which is like this, and then the top part, which is obviously going on top. So you snap the bottom part in place, just like that, and then the top part, oop, of course, I let this fall. Oh my god, how cute is that? And of course, you can get these for any AirPods you have or any other Galaxy Buds, and they have these in every single print. So you can match your phone to your Galaxy Buds or your AirPods, and you will look so cute and ready for summer. I mean, look at that. I'm so matchy-matchy and I love it. So again, we do have a never fading print and it is scratch resistant. So it's definitely gonna be looking brand new. It is definitely very lightweight and it does have a slim profile. It definitely hugs my Galaxy Bud and I love that. I don't want the case to be so big that it kind of like is too much. So I love the fact that this is very slim. And of course, the main reason for getting a cover for your Galaxy Buds or your AirPods is the obvious. It's gonna protect them if it falls. It has shock absorption, which means if this falls down, it's gonna be protected. So you don't have to worry about that. Next up, I got a MacBook case and you guys can already tell which print this is. It's the butterflies. I mean, I had to. My MacBook is my everything. It's my baby. So I had to cover it in butterflies and looked super cute. How pretty is that? Oh, my MacBook is gonna look so stunning. I cannot. The quality is amazing. So this provides all-around protection for your MacBook while maintaining its slim, elegant profile, which I think is very important. This is the bottom half and this is the top part. The bottom half does have ventilation, which is also very important for your MacBook. That's my phone. I don't know about you guys, but my MacBook, it's a bit old, so it does get really hot from time to time. So having great ventilation is just a must-have. You can obviously get these in different sizes. It really depends on your own laptop model. On the bottom of your laptop, you will have like this number code, and that's the model you will have to order so your MacBook can fit. And last but not least, I got a laptop sleeve because I actually take my laptop with me a lot of the time to work. I teach dance and fitness classes, so I do use my laptop at work. So because I travel with my laptop, I do use a sleeve, and my sleeve is pretty old, so I figured it was the perfect time to get a new sleeve. I actually don't remember which print I got, so it's gonna be a surprise for me as well. But yeah, so this is the packaging, very nice, and you have like all of the information back here. So let's see, guys. I'm actually excited. Oh, of course. I got the butterflies. Because what's new? I'm obsessed with butterflies. How beautiful is that? Oh, the quality is amazing. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So this is the laptop sleeve. It is vegan leather and it's also water resistant. So it's definitely gonna protect and still look beautiful. So we have the BURGA logo here down at the bottom and also in the back, which actually has like a protective layer on top of it. That was ASMR at its best. So this is the shock absorbing cloud shield tech, which will protect your laptop. And the inside actually has extra soft microfiber lining, which will protect your laptop from scratches. And I also really love the fact that all of the detailing is in gold because again, it's gonna match all of the rest, which I think is very nice. And the best part, the secure snap button for the zipper. So cool. I've actually never seen that. So I think that is an amazing like cute little detail. This is obviously a universal fit, so this will definitely fit your laptop. And yeah guys, I'm so happy with all of the items that I got. I cannot wait for you guys to see this video and for you guys to fall in love with this brand because BURGA is just an amazing brand. So that was it guys. These were all of the items I had to show you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and I am definitely in love with all of these products. The quality is amazing. The prints are stunning. I can definitely see why BURGA is such an amazing brand and I hope you guys have fallen in love with this brand just as I have. I will leave the link to all of these down below and don't forget you can get 4 phone cases and only pay for 2, so that's a great deal and you are gonna be obsessed with all of these products. Believe me, the quality is amazing and I cannot wait to start using this right away. I already have it on my phone, so it's definitely gonna stay on. And yeah, I'm so in love with these prints. As I said, they have over 300 unique prints and designs. So definitely go check out their website and their Instagram because as I said, their content is pretty insane. So as always, I would love for you guys to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, I would love for you guys to subscribe and hit that bell so you can stay notified whenever I upload my next videos. And of course, I would love to see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye guys!